If VLC is not playing YouTube videos, don't worry, here's how to fix it. This fix is quick and simple. First, download the youtube.lua file, save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop, so you don't have to search for it later. Now, open File Explorer and go to C drive, Program Files, Video LAN, VLC, LUA, and Playlist. If you have a 32-bit system, go to Program Files times 86 instead. Inside this folder, find youtube.luac, right-click it, and delete it. But before doing that, it's always a good idea to make a backup, just in case something goes wrong. You can do this by right-clicking the file and copying it to another folder. Now, go back to the file you downloaded, right-click it, copy, and paste it into the same folder. And that's it. Close everything, open VLC, and try playing a YouTube video again. You should be back to watching without any issues.